ரசாவின் சார்பாக அனைவரையும் வணங்கி மகிழ்கிறோம். 21வது மார்கழி கலாரசா மகோத்சவத்தின் 4ஆம் நாளில் அனைவரையும் வரவேற்று மகிழ்கிறோம். இசை மழையில் நனைந்த நாம் இன்று கலையின் மற்றொரு வடிவமான நாட்டிய நிகழ்வை காண இருக்கிறோம். நடனம் என்றாலே நளினம், இந்த நடனமோ சற்று கடினம். ஆம், அது கதக் நடனம். அக்கலையின் மூலமாக நமது தேசத்தின் கலாச்சாரத்தை பரப்பி வரும் அமைப்பு தேவன்யா நடனப்பள்ளி. அதனை நிறுவியவர் பிரபல கதக் நடன கலைஞர் ஜிக்யாசா கிரி அவர்கள். பாங்காக், மும்பை ஆகிய இடங்களில் கதக் நடனத்தை பலருக்கு கற்றுத்தந்த ஒரு மிகப்பெரிய கலைஞர், ஆசிரியர், நடன அமைப்பாளர். 2001ஆம் ஆண்டு முதல் சென்னையில் நடனம் கற்றுத்தர தொடங்கினார். தனது நடனப் பணியை 2009ஆம் ஆண்டு சென்னையில் நிறுவினார். நடன மேதைகள் குரு நாட்டிய ஸ்ரீ கிருஷ்ணகுமார் தர்பார் மற்றும் மாயாராவ் அவர்கள் இருவரும் இவர் உருவாக குருவானவர்கள். வாருங்கள், கண்கவர் கதக் நடனத்தை கண்டு ரசிப்போம்.
It was that time in Indian history, during the 15th century, when the brave Rajput kings and their armies were busy defending their people, kingdoms, and identities from the ruthless Mughal invaders. In the midst of all this cacophony of battle cries and clash of swords, in the little village of Merta was born a Brahmin princess whose full-throated, unabashed songs of love for Krishna shifted the focus in the leaves of history from war to peace, hatred to love. The details of her life are sketchy and steeped in imagination and legend. Yet the fact remains that this saint of love surely did live to pass on her love songs through the channels of the Bhakti movement in a war-torn India.
Ratna Singh has fallen. Ratna Singh has fallen. Akbar's troops have fled, but have wounded our beloved king.
Sad times are upon us, that our king has to battle these invaders to protect us and the kingdom. What'll happen of little Meera? She lost her mother just a few years ago, and her father is always busy in battle. What'll become of her?
What days of laughter those were. Baby Meera, a little moped that she was.
Oh, that she still is. What a beautiful child.
Yes, how strange was that day when that sage visited the royal household? Do you remember? We were plucking jasmine flowers for Ranisa's morning prayers. Ranisa! Ranisa! Please come outside. There is a sage who has come to bless us all.
Hari Om, Hari Om, Hari Om, Hari Om.
Padharosa, blessed are we to have your footsteps at our gates. Meera? Meera, where are you? Prancing and gurgling with innocent laughter, without a care in the world, little Meera ran into her mother's arms, neither of them knowing the impact this one single moment was about to have on Meera's life. Come, my child. Pay your obeisance to the learned one.
I want that doll. I want that doll.
Hush, Meera. What are you doing? Please forgive her, Holy One. I do not know what has come over her.
Do not apologize, O Mother. She is just a child. This doll is no ordinary doll, Meera.
It is an idol of Lord Krishna, to whom I pray every day and night.
I take him with me everywhere. He is the only truth. All else is Maya. Thus, I cannot part with this idol. Hari Om.
कमललोचन कटिपीताम्बर अधर मुरली गिरिधरम् कमललोचन कटिपीताम्बर अधर मुरली गिरिधरम् मुकुट कुण्डल करल कुटिया सावरे राधेवरम् सावरे राधेवरम् O learned one, by my directive, go back to the palace in the morning and give this idol of mine to Princess Meera. Her journey towards sainthood begins with this idol. Blessed are you to be handing it to her.
Oh Krishna, what a wonder! What a wonder!
Govinda bolo Hari Gopala bolo, 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 Govinda bolo Gopala bolo, Govinda bolo Gopala कमललोचन कटिपीताम्बर अधर मुरली गिरिधरम् कमललोचन कटिपीताम्बर अधर मुरली गिरिधरम् मुकुट कुण्डल करल कुटिया सावरे राधेवरम् सावरे राधेवरम्
And thus was planted the seed of one of the most enchanting, esoteric, devotional, even erotic love stories. Her mother died when Meera was very young. But for as long as she lived, she humored, even encouraged Meera's obsession with Krishna. She wrote songs in praise of Krishna and sang them to Meera.
पीताम्बर अधर मुरली गिरिधरम्
मोरे आंगन में मुरली बजाओ, मोरे आंगन में मुरली बजाओ, मुरली बजाओ, मुरली बजाओ, मुरली बजाओ, मुरली बजाओ, मोरे आंगन में मुरली बजाओ, मोरे आंगन में मुरली बजाओ। फूलन देऊंगी खेलन देऊंगी, फूलन देऊंगी खेलन देऊंगी, मोरे आंगन में मुरली बजाओ, मोरे आंगन में मुरली बजाओ। मुरली की ध्वनि सुनी बजत मृदंग ध्वनि, थोड़ी किट धे किट थे, तनत करत उठ हेरत फेरत चित, चंद्र चपल दिग दिग ता दिग दिग ता दिग 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 तो दिग दिग तो दिग 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 ता दिग दिग ता दिग 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 तो दिग दिग तो दिग दिग क्रान किट तक थे तत थे अत थे क्रान किट तक थे तत थे अत थे क्रान किट तक थे तत थे अत ता। नाच नाच मोरे हे मनमोहन, नाच नाच मोरे हे मनमोहन, मधुर गीत सुनाऊंगी, मधुर गीत सुनाऊंगी, मोरे आंगन में मुरली बजाओ, 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 मोरे आंगन में मुरली बजाओ।
Ma, who is my groom?
You already have your groom in Krishna. See how you cling to him all day? These words became imprinted on Meera's heart and soul. Thereon, she became completely wedded to her Lord.
Meera, do you want to see who your groom is? मेरे तो गिरिधर गोपाल। No, no, your real groom भावरी। मेरे तो गिरिधर गोपाल, दूसरों ना कोई। But I overheard the ladies in the Chandra Haveli whispering that your groom has been fixed. जाके सरमोर मुकुट, मेरो पति सोई। Only Krishna is my husband.
My son, the king, is busy defending his territories and people from the Mughal invaders. Let him do his work. I shall bring up my darling granddaughter with all the love in my heart. Come, my child, sit with me on the throne and play while I conduct my business of running the state.
Thus her days passed in loving play and devotion to the Lord. She was unmindful of upheavals in the Rajput families due to their disunity and wars with the Mughal Emperor Akbar. Some years pass, and Meera is now a beautiful adolescent.
My Nath, my Thakur, you are the only one for me. But where are you? Oh, where are you? For years I've adorned you. For years now I have sung your praise. Not once have you shown yourself to me.
प्यारे दर्शन दीजो दर्शन दीजो तुम बिन रहियो न जाए जल बिन कमल चंद्र बिन रजनी ऐसे तुम देखा बिन सजनी तुम देखा बिन सजनी
They say I am to be married to Rana Bhojraj, son of Raja Sangram Singh Sisodia of Chittorgarh. Don't they know I am married to you? Won't you show up and take me away? Are you tearing me away from you? How can that be? Are you so naive, my Krishna? My Krishna? Don't you know that I am irremovable from you?
सुमन साड़ी रंगावा कहो तो भगवा भेस कहो तो मोतियन मांग भरावा कहो तो मोतियन मांग भरावा कहो छिटकावा केस बाला में बैरागन की बाला में बैरागन
Welcome to Chittor, Meera. This is your home now. You are the queen of not just my heart, but the queen of the vast kingdom of Chittor.
Please, forgive me, Ranaji, for I'm already wedded to Krishna. Can you build a temple for my lord in some corner of your palace where I shall live and pray?
On the first day of her marriage, she created definite boundaries with her husband, never consummating that marriage till the end. And she was lucky that the Rana was so besotted by her that he just gave in.
खिवा
Rana ji, I thank you for building this temple where I can be with my Lord.
Meera, how lean you have become. I worry about you. People in the palace are worried about your obsession with Krishna. At least for their sake, come to the family deity Durga and pray sometimes.
Krishna is the only one for me.
By now, her obsession with Krishna knew no limits. No material possessions held her down. She began to discard her royal attire and sit among sadhus, discussing and learning spiritual matters. Meera was warned of dire consequences by the elders of the royal household if she did not conform to the norms of the palace.
Rana Sahab, please take notice of what is going on.
Rani Meera is getting out of hand.
Yes, she was seen walking out of the palace and wandering the streets like a commoner.
I was aghast, O Rana, to see with my own eyes our queen sitting at the village square among our subjects who were peering at her so curiously.
She must be stopped. Bhojraj, do not say we didn't warn you. Your soft corner for her is fanning her madness.
Meera meets her guru, who helps her transcend to the plane of oneness with her Lord.
Hari Om, Hari Om.
A light shines in her eyes as she realizes that there is no duality between her and Krishna. She sings and cries blissfully, unabashedly before her husband's subjects. News of her undying love for Krishna and her saintliness spread far and wide, and soon Meera had a large band of followers with whom she would sit and sing. This was unacceptable to her family. It was at this time that her husband, and ironically, perhaps her only friend in the world, was killed in battle.
Ram Naam Satya hai, 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 Ram Naam Satya hai.
Meera was sad, but unperturbed, as her only goal was union with God. She took her widowhood as an opportunity to spend all her time in search of Krishna. Her family tried to kill her to save the royal reputation. But when she was made to lie on a bed of nails, the nails turned into petals. When a serpent was sent to her instead of puja flowers, it is said that the snake turned into a garland by the grace of Krishna. Even a bowl of poison given to her turned to nectar.
भई रे बावरी, लोग कहे मीरा भई रे बावरी। लोग कहे मीरा भई बावरी,
सास कहे कुल नाशी रे, कुल नाशी रे, नाशी रे कुल नाशी रे, कुल नाशी रे, नाशी रे, नाशी रे।
घुंघरू बांध मीरा नाची रे, पग घुंघरू बांध मीरा नाची रे,
पग घुंघरू बांध मीरा नाची रे, पग घुंघरू बांध मीरा नाची रे,
पग घुंघरू बांध
प्याला राणा जी ने भेजा, विष का प्याला राणा जी ने भेजा। पीवत मीरा हाँसी रे, पीवत मीरा हाँसी रे। मीरा हाँसी रे, हाँसी रे, मीरा हाँसी रे, मीरा हाँसी रे, हाँसी रे, हाँसी रे। घुंघरू बांध मीरा नाची रे, पग घुंघरू बांध मीरा नाची रे, पग घुंघरू बांध मीरा नाची रे, पग घुंघरू बांध मीरा नाची रे। मीरा के प्रभु गिरिधर नागर, मीरा के प्रभु गिरिधर नागर, मीरा के प्रभु गिरिधर नागर। चरण कमल की दासी रे, चरण कमल की दासी रे। घुंघरू बांध मीरा नाची रे, पग घुंघरू बांध मीरा नाची रे, पग घुंघरू बांध मीरा नाची रे, पग घुंघरू बांध मीरा नाची रे। बांध मीरा नाची रे।
A madness took over her. She left Chittor in the dead of night and travelled through the deserts of Rajasthan to reach Vrindavan, the abode of Krishna. There, in the colourful realms of her imagination, she dances with Krishna.
सांवरे के रंग राची मैं, सांवरे के रंग राची। सजी सिंगार बांध पग घुंघरू, पग घुंघरू। सजी सिंगार बांध पग घुंघरू, पग घुंघरू। मैं लोक लाज तज नाची, नाची मैं नाची। सांवरे के रंग राची। लाज शरम कुल की मर्यादा, सर से दूर करी, सर से दूर करी। गाई गाई हरि के गुण निस दिन, गाई गाई हरि के गुण निस दिन। काल व्याल सुबाची, काल व्याल सुबाची। मीरा भगत रूप भई साची। मीरा भगत रूप भई साची। मैं सांवरे के रंग राची, मैं सांवरे के रंग राची। सजी सिंगार बांध पग घुंघरू, पग घुंघरू। मैं लोक लाज तज नाची, नाची मैं नाची। सांवरे
word of Meera being spotted in Vrindavan reached the Rana of Chittor, uncle of Meera's husband. He ordered his spies to find and bring her back to Chittor. No queen of our kingdom shall roam the streets like a vagrant, he announced. Why do tears flow from my eyes when I listen to a Meera bhajan? Even her happy, playful, sensuous songs fill my heart with pathos. Why do I choke as her words seep into my being? Is it because I realize that such an intense lover, such an entranced devotee, oh, such a liberated Atma walks the earth perhaps only once in an eon? Does it make me see the shallowness of my own emotions? Does it make me yearn for what she had or for what she was? To be able to love the way she did? Am I envious of her liberation? One can accept someone attaining moksha after death. But moksha in life itself? To be so smitten by love that you just become absolute love itself? That you dissolve into eternity? That you go beyond both sorrow and ecstasy? And then I wonder, doesn't each one of us possess that potential to be a Meera? If only we would open the floodgates of our core, would we not see the Meera that we are? Restrained within the dams of fear, suspicion, insecurity, jealousy, hatred. The list can go on. She nurtured her pain until it became her balm. She wept with longing until the tears themselves washed away her longing. She surrendered so completely that the Lord Himself succumbed to the heart-wrenching love songs of this gypsy spirit called Meera. Is the bliss that she attained a desert mirage that we can only aspire for? Or is it the reality that each one of us, in truth, is? In telling you the story of this queen, this wanderer, this saint, our intention is to transport you to the pure white light of your very own core.
जाके सरमोर मुकुट, जाके सरमोर मुकुट, मेरो पति सोई, दूसरो ना कोई.
I want that doll. I want that doll. Ma, who is my groom? Won't you show up and take me away? Ranaji, I thank you for building this temple where I can be with my Lord.
it is as if my being is an engulfing in your embrace. But, in truth, you are me. Is it not so, O Krishna?
Let me quickly introduce the dancers of this evening. As you would have noticed, we had two sets of dancers. One, the story makers, and the other, the Meeras in order of their age and evolution. Let me start with the male story makers, who I think did a very good job being an all-woman team. We start with Tamrai Selvi as courtier and villager, Priya George, warrior and Ranaji, Vibita Edward, courtier, warrior, villager, Priya Mani, courtier, villager, grandfather to Meera, Shreya Prakash, courtier and warrior, villager, Shruti Raghutaman, courtier, warrior, villager, Janvi Krishna, warrior and mendicant. May I have the female story makers in front, please? Starting with the three little children here, we have Janani Ratna. I kept calling her Janani Rata and she kept correcting me throughout the rehearsals. I got that right? Sana Sadiq, Ikshika Sarode, Smriti Jhavar, Sakhi to Meera, Niti A, Sakhi to Meera, Siddhi Vajawat, Sakhi to Meera, Shruti Rajaram, Sakhi to Meera, Sneha Jaisimha, Sakhi to Meera, Vardhini Kailasam, mother to Meera, Sanjana Tara, mother-in-law to Meera. And to introduce the Meeras in order of their age and evolution, Yavi Mutta, the child Meera, Riddhi Kharche, the young princess Meera, Avni Maru, the defiant adolescent Meera, Shankri, the bride Meera, the wandering gypsy spirit Meera, and a word for her, also choreographic assistance throughout the play. Avni Giri, the renunciate queen Meera, and the liberated Atma Meera. Ashwini Balakrishnan, the one and only Krishna. Thank you all. Wonderful work, and I think you did a great job. I hope all of you believe so too. Thank you so much.
सांवरे के रंग राची मैं सांवरे के रंग राची सजी सिंगार बांध पग घुंघरू सजी सिंगार बांध पग घुंघरू मैं लोक लाज तज नाची मैं नाची सांवरे के रंग राची
மிகச் சிறப்பான கதக் நடனத்தை நமக்கு அளித்த ஜிக்யாசா கிரி அவர்களை நம் மனமார ரசா பாராட்டுகின்றது. கலா ரசிகர்களே, நாளைய நிகழ்ச்சி பிரயத்தனா குழுவினர் வழங்கும் சிஸ்டர் நிவேதிதா என்ற நாடகம். நாளை சந்திப்போம். ரசாவின் அன்பு வணக்கங்கள்.